Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a reverse flower dip, but on this rectangle canvas. It's 10 by 14-inch canvas, and I will use black for my background and my mixture of pearl white, some brilliant green, green gold, some deep yellow, deep cadmium red, and Porage Posse muscadine wine. And I will try to do some little flowers here and lift my paper napkin diagonally. If you are not familiar with this technique, if you are maybe new, it's quite an easy way to create a flower painting with acrylics mixed with pouring medium. I have a ton of tutorials how to mix paints, how to do just one flower, reverse flower with bottle bottoms, flower shaped cup, with puddles, with circles, all kinds of stuff. So if you are interested, you can find playlists below. So let's start painting. I did this diagonal reverse dip in my beginnings, so I thought, okay, I didn't do this technique for quite some time now, so maybe it's time to do it once more. So I will just cover my canvas with black paint. This is oxide black from Amsterdam, mixed with my pouring medium. I can do sides later, they don't matter because I will not tilt. It will not be, you know, that kind of painting that you have to have your pattern. I will paint my sides with black later on, probably. I will cover them with paint, but if it's not perfect, I can fix them afterwards too. Okay, so we had holidays here in Slovenia, that's why I wasn't publishing a lot lately, and I have my family here. We spend some family time during the holidays with my granddaughters and our kids, so it was a nice time. And now we are back on track. So my black base is down. You have to cover it quite heavily, or how can I say, because your napkin will pull some paint off. Okay, and now I will drizzle some green just all over. This don't want to be just, I don't know, green, and some pearl white because of the lacing effect, hopefully. Okay, green gold. So it looks a little thick. Okay. And now I will do just some flowery shaped puddles puddles in 5 puddles in the shape of a flower, or how can I say, maybe this one is a little big, and maybe one just 3 here. I will spray my paper napkin with water to soften it up, because it's easier for me to lift it up if it's a little wet, and I don't know, I just prefer wet paper napkin. You can use plastic or dry paper napkin. It's all okay. So, where is my middle? Kind of here, I think. Second half. We'll just tap a little bit to make sure that my napkin will touch the canvas all the way. So let's see. This time I will go like this and like this. Okey-doke. Something is missing, definitely. Here is a close-up. So I dipped with napkin, with scoops. That's why I love fluid art, because you don't need to, you know, okay, this doesn't work, now I have to stop and say, okay, this is a disaster. You can always try new things, play with paints, play with different dipping techniques or different other techniques. You can definitely correct some of your pores. So this was one of those days when I had to try this and that, and this is the final result. Have a nice day and see you on the next one. Bye.